The top command provides the dynamic real-time view. Dynamic real-time view of the active processes and system usage, offering the instance into the resource utilization and system loads. It's a display that continually update the list of processes and various systems of matrices like CPU, memory, and SWAS usage with the CPU 5.4 usage. And one user was running the task 122 total was running. System was up the 52 minutes ago, and the load were how load the swap memory, and then quit. I want to quit it. I want to use some options like I show you the example. The reference and update, they exist like a top and 5. Useful to collect the snapshot system usages. The top, for example, will refresh the display 5 times. Then it exists. It's automatically the terminal is up. It's exited, and we have dm top d3. This will update the display every 3 seconds. The quit on the useful options. So, top. So the example like quit. The PID. This will displays the information only the process with the PIDs. This is most useful if you want to the particular processes at the particular PID, what was going on, where it was happens. Then we have the another option like top C. The command line augment for the each process rather just command name. Enter this one thing, the command name. Added the command name. The quit. There's the final one is top B and one output system snap short.txt. This is example capture the snapshots of system started and save into the files. These are the most useful. You can also try H. H is help to the help menu. It's a list of all commands of the options, and the Q as I show you the Q, hit the command, and I to hide the ideal process, showing the only active running ones. It's help to the high usage of tasks. The next we have the free command. The free command is display the total usage and available memory in your systems, like allow you detailed information on your shared memory and buffered memory and chunks. So the example, this is on output. User means amount of memory active being used by running processes. And free means memory completely unused available for the allocations, and shared memory used to shared by resources, example like shared libraries. And buff and chunks, the memory currently being used for the system buffer and chunks, and available, the memory is available from allocating the new process within the swapping. I show you the one example. You can the free H show the human readable. You can easily understand the 3.83 MB and so like this. And there's another useful option like S in the 5. Sorry, that's my mistake. It's not a big, it's capital smallest. It's update continuously every 5 seconds, the providing the real-time view of the memory, how it's going on, how it's happening. Sometimes it's required if the memory is out of memory, you need to do something. That's why this is happens. Quit. Sorry, control C, cancel it. And there's another option like a free and T. The T means show you the T like a memory of the swap usage of the total on the bottom. The 3.8. The free when used options help to monitor the usage efficient, making the valuable tools like managing systems like performing the troubleshoot memories related issues. And the next one, the kill command. Kill command the send the signals to kill the control the behaviors commands using the terminal processing, but it's also suspended, resume or send the custom signal to them. The effect the processor you must be either if you have the superpolarizations like I show you the example here's dot a in the top 6 3 4 kill PID 6. It successfully killed as a PID. Mention the PID. Sorry. There's a useful options like a kill 9. Need to sudo the PID. It's a kill the forcibly kills immediately without cleanup, and the 15, and then have the 15 option. The 15 is default the signal politely asking the process the terminals allowed to clean up resources, and the 2 was simultaneously interpreted like pressing the control C, and the stop command like stop the suspend or the PID, and the resume and to resume this CONT resume and suspend the processes. That's it. The kill is commonly used to help to managing the system processes, especially the troubleshooting, the free upping the resources. And then have the pkill. Pkill command is similarly has a kill, but instead of using the processes, it also allows to terminal processes by their names or other attributes. Pkill can be sent various signals, including skills, which forcibly terminate the process without allowing to clean the resources. The pkill, the kill, and the processor name, whatever it is. I don't have anything processor running. You can write it here. That's it. The pkill had also killed the Firefox. If the Firefox is running, if the Firefox successfully killed, and the Apache, whatever it is, stop SSH. Stop SSH. So killing the PID SSH. The terminator. Used for the multi-user environment when working with a process that multi instances of the allow you to easily manage the process without manually identify each PIDs. And the next we have the timeout. Timeout is a command Linux is used to limit the runtime the commands. It's a command to execute the special of the durations like automation send the termination signals to stop signal to stop it. This is particularly useful to prevent the long running processes for the consuming the resource identify. Like I show you the example. Right. Pkill 30 seconds left. Or it's after 30 seconds it's terminated, or backup.sh you have any backup files after 30 seconds it will be terminated. The timeout the another one. I show you the example. Foreground 15 as It's a manageable, using timeout is straightforward. Managing systems resources by limiting background tasks and preventing the potential system slowdowns. It's terminating after the 15 seconds. That's it. Have the other one nice. Nice is a command Linux allows to start the processes with modify levels of the nice values. This is value determine the how much CPU time the processor will receive the real time the other process. A low nice value means higher priority and higher nice value means lower priority. Like by default, the nice is set to 0. You adjust the range of the minus 20, the priority to plus 19. This is useful when you're given the certain processes more or less CPUs optimize the performance. So 10. They're showing you some examples. Nice and uh, test 10. This command the 10 means value is the lower priority and I using the 5 ls. So 5 means highest priority minus 5. It's mostly useful when you are running giving some of the comments of the automation. You giving the priority which one is runs faster, which one is runs slower. That's why we use the priorities like and nice and the 10 5. And the renice is a command allows to change the nice values already running the process. This is useful if you are adjust the priority the process already existed using the PIDs renines like n10 466. It's not permitted like these the pseudo 0 with the 10 priority. 10 priority means it's very low. Have to change the priorities and the find joins and much more things. Used to start the command like specifying the priorities nice value before the being executed. Change the nice priorities already running process. This is a difference. The nice working with without starting the process. The renice working after already running process adjust the priorities. This command help to managing the resources, the controlling the execution, the priority of processing, ensuring the more important that uh, get the CPU's time need to without being integrated in less crucial ones. And the Nohup, and the Nohup is a command no hang up. This is used to run the command the processes in the background even after you log out or close the terminal. The particular useful running long running tasks such as a server or a data the processing jobs without risk or they being terminated when the user session ends. Like I for the example, when you run the command it's a and even the terminal session is called closed. UI and symbol is ignoring I show the example. This run the long running process such as scripts in the background. It's no hub that output it's a standard output the standard error so the command are redirecting files like no how it's a if you not redirect expert which is can be checked the outputs on the command. You can also run the command. So done. Python 3 py log rewrite status input and redirection. This is happens in the background. And then and the sleep command is used to duration the scripts, especially during this is useful when you want to delay or scripting executing the commands in the pausing or the between multiple commands of the scripts. Sleep 5 This is pause before the counting. The next command is the 5 seconds. After the 5 seconds it will runs, or the 2 minutes sleep 2 minutes, pause the 2 minutes. And we have also 1 hour, takes 1 hour. And then 1 day, ls, sorry, after the 1 day it runs the ls. Then watch it. And then we have the watch command. Watch command allows to repeatedly execute it, specify the intervals of the display in the output at the terminal. This is very useful to monitor the changes the real time to check the output of the commands at regular intervals. I can show you the example. Watch, date is not working. Watch, readout h. The defaultly intervals are the 2 seconds. That's every 2 seconds it's updated. And I show in the example. After the 2 seconds it's updated 24. I have the, you can also specify what you need, like n the 5 seconds left. Every 5 seconds is updated until you close them. The monitor displays have the use like a d option, def sort h. The monitor disk uses until the highlighted. Sorry, my bad. And that command is scheduled the commands that runs the scheduling times in the future. This is useful to automate tasks to be executed later, such as running the maintaining scripts, such as sending the emails, and specify time want to run at time, like so in the example echo python 3 python.sh at 5 p.m. Sorry, and the command will add in the bin sets. It runs the 5 o'clock, that's 5:30, 5 o'clock, and also add now plus 10 minutes. It runs after this command runs after the 10 minutes from now. These are the useful options when you want to run the certain time period of time. That's it.